Hello, it's Mrs. Ulickney again, and I am here to help you guys with page 30. So let's read the problem together. And of course, it has a very weird name, and I'm not really sure how to pronounce it, so I'll try my best. It says, solve the problem, show your work. Benoit has 215 photos on his phone. I'm going to highlight 215 because that's important information. Sarah has 173 photos on her phone. I'm also going to highlight 173 because that's also important information. How many photos do Benoit and Sarah have in all? So what are we trying to find out? How many they have in all. What does in all mean? That means all together. So, what operation do we use when we're trying to find in all? We are going to add. So we are going to add. I'm going to show you this way to add by breaking apart the numbers. So we know that I'm going to put B for Benoit has 215 photos. And we know that Sarah, put S for Sarah, has 173 photos. So let's break apart those numbers. How many hundreds are there in 215? I hope you're thinking 2. 2 hundreds gives you 200. How many tens are there in 215? There is 1 10. What does 1 10 give you? 10. And then how many ones? You got it, 5. So there we have it. We broke apart 215. Now let's break apart Sarah's photos. She has 173. How many hundreds are there in 173? I hope you're thinking 1, and 100 gives you 100. And then how many tens are there in 173? I hope you're thinking 7, and what does 7 tens give you? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And then how many ones? 3. Okay, so let's add our broken apart numbers together. So 5 plus 3 ones equals what? 8. 110 plus 7 tens, 70 plus 10 equals what? 80. And then 200 plus 100 equals what? 300. So what number does 300 plus 80 plus 8 make? 300 plus 80 plus 8 makes 388. So how many photos do Benoit and Sarah have in all? 388, and we need a label, photos. Because if you don't put a label, you could think we're talking about chocolate bars or chickens. I mean, I would love to have 388 chocolate bars, but we are talking about photos. And I wanted to point out, guys, that solution means answer. So when you see the word solution on your paper, that means that's where you write your answer, okay? A couple of kids were confused by that on our lesson 1 test. So number 4 says, check your answer, show your work. So here's another way that we could check our answer. We could actually draw our base 10 blocks. So we know Benoit had how many hundreds? 2 of them. So we could draw 2 base 10 hundred blocks. And we know that Sarah had how many hundreds? 1. So we could draw 1 base 10 hundred block. And how many tens did Benoit have? 1 10. So we could draw 1 10 block. And how many tens did Sarah have? 7. So we could draw 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? And then how many ones? So Benoit had 5 ones. I'm just going to draw dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Sarah had 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. So let's group those together. I'm going to draw a box. Let's group our hundreds together, our tens together. I'm sorry about my drawing. I'm not a good art person. And group our ones together. So how many hundreds are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 hundreds makes 300. How many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tens makes 80. And then how many ones? All together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's check. 300 plus 80 plus 8 does equal 388 photos. So, do our answers match? We got 388 photos when we checked our work down here. And up here, we also got 388 photos. So, our answer is correct. Okay. I hope that helped you. Excuse me, I was coughing. I hope that helped you complete page 30. Okay, have a good rest of your day.